That sequence took 1 billion takes, which is why I did it by my car. There's no way I was going to do 1 billion takes with all these people at this park. Nope. We're almost there, fam. We're almost there. Okay, here we are. Look at that. Oh, beauteous. Turn the corner. There's still a bunch of houses. But most importantly, this park. Do you see all these people? Look at that. Look at that. Just a shit ton of San Franciscans. As you should. As you should. Well, that's a nice entrance right there. Am I supposed to stop here? Yeah. Wow, wow. I love weeping willows. It's my favorite tree. But yeah, this is part of the park that's right in front of the Painted Ladies. But this house, what the heck? They should do a haunted house here, or like any series. Oh look, these are pretty too. See? But once again, I freaking am in love with this house. They should do like the Addams Family here, or the Munsters. Like any gothic TV show should be here. That's all I'm gonna say. I like this shit. Alright, let's roll. Wow. We're just going around Painted Ladies. Way down there, I don't know what that is. That's pretty cool. But yeah, the park once again. 0 parking. Get the fuck luck for whoever comes here, man. Cause there ain't nothing. Okay? So I'm gonna try looking for parking. What? Right after I said that, ample parking right here. I don't know if this means I'm gonna get towed, but look, it's right by the Painted Ladies. Wow, I looked out. Amazing. Hey, I'm not questioning it. No. Always question it. That street happened to be the prime place where there's car break-ins, so fair warning right there, if you're ever in that area. Oops. It's actually pretty scenic over here. Imagine just taking a walk here all the time. Painted Ladies over the hill. The Painted Ladies on foot. Chilling. What I found out when I was in New Orleans outside the Django house is they always film the exteriors of places, and then the interior is a set. So the same goes with Full House. Also, apparently the Charmed Witch series from the 90s and early 2000s, that's supposedly set in San Francisco, but the exterior of the house is actually in Los Angeles. So if you try to look for that house in San Francisco, you're out of luck. But yeah, that's a cool fact. Yeah, it makes sense because these look kind of like way tinier, and if you look at the Full House set, it's like more extensive and wide. These are thin and narrow, so yeah, they need to be in a set. It's kind of funny because everyone's facing the Painted Ladies, but essentially nothing's happening. It's not like there's like fireworks or anyone from the cast popping their head out a window or something, but there we go. I'm joining the masses. Everyone marvel at the Painted Ladies. Soak in the aura. Yes. Okay, I'm starting to get it after being here for a good 15 minutes. It's starting to reach Nirvana. Oh my god. I'm not gonna lie to you. I didn't get it sitting on this hill, waiting for enlightenment, the second coming. It's not coming. But then I got to thinking. Some people watch Full House or like all these things all their lives and they know these Painted Ladies, and it becomes like a symbol for you to make it to San Francisco and look at and see the Painted Ladies. Maybe I'm overthinking it, and maybe I've sat on this hill for too long, but that's my epiphany. I'm gonna go back. Alright. These two are my favorite. Navy blue and maroon. I would pick one of these if I had to pick which one to reside in. I'd pick one of these. Another angle. Yep. So many people are here. And there's a little gray truck. All right, and there we have the painted ladies in the famous Haight Ashbury district or area of San Francisco. Did not reach enlightenment, but I found it pretty cool to see after all these years of watching Full House. It was interesting. It was very pretty. Here is the supposed potential Munster Mansion Addams Family, whatever Gothic themed TV show or movie or what have you should be placed here. House. That was a long hyphenated list. And then we have the Weeping Willow. Well, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. All my social media handles are down below. Hit the bell notification to be reminded every time I post a video, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.